Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I do apologize for this not being a Vita tutorial. I had one planned, but unfortunately there was some sort of fire that broke out in our apartment building, and so we spent a lot of time kind of having the firefighters figure that out. And then also we had dinner, and we were just kind of backed up today due to my daughter's appointment and just so many things going on, like buying food and just coming back from our long trip from Chicago. So I do apologize for not having that tutorial ready for you, but the one for tomorrow is going to be a really good video, so I hope you guys stay tuned on that one. But anyways, we're going to do a quick unboxing of some stuff I bought off an auction website, and so I'm excited to show you what I got here. And I kind of remember what's in this box. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a bunch of Sony PlayStation gear. Something like that. I don't know. But let's take a look and see what we got inside. And alright, so it's a PlayStation Collectibles. Alright, cool. Let's check it out. And you probably buy this at the store or something. It looks like one of those boxes you can buy at Walmart or something like that. I'm not sure. I really don't buy collectible items like this, but I thought since I'm doing all this PSP Sony stuff, might as well get into the collectibles, right? Other collectibles, just because I'm a big fan of PlayStation. So we got this gray box, and it's the model PlayStation 1 box. The original PlayStation 1. Kind of cool. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. And everything should be brand new, according to the listing. And yeah, I'm not sure where this box is from, but whatever. We got some cool pins. We got the for the players, and a Japanese Sony green pin, and 1994. That is pretty sweet. Nice. I don't really collect pins, but these pins are pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's awesome. And the big piece here, the one I really wanted for like a piece in the background when I'm doing my videos and just showing off some other cool games on my PSPs or the Vita. We have this pretty badass mug. Wow, this thing is heavy. Damn, look at that. That's premium right there. You could see all the button symbols, triangle, square, circle, X, and the sweet PlayStation logo. And it's like 3D. It's like a metallic. No, it's a piece of metal on here. And the beautiful colors. Wow, this is a beautiful piece. Oh, look at that. And we have the original PlayStation there. And that was their first ever console, the PS1 from Sony. Very successful console. And we got these guys. And these are supposedly coasters. We got the X, circle, square, and triangle. So what are you guys a fan of? If you had to pick one button for life, what would it be? I'm gonna have to say X, because it's blue. Maybe a square. I like square. I don't know. Well, let's check out the quality of this stuff. It's pretty good size, pretty good weight to it too. Nice feel to it. And I bought this box for, I believe, 16 bucks with free shipping. Very nice auction. There we go. And I plan on to buy more PSP bundles, PSP like lots off eBay and stuff like that, and other auction sites, so we can have some fun with that. Yeah, you can see very nice and clean. And this is from the Numbskull. Is that really all of my fingerprints? This is from Numbskull. Designed by Numbskull, PlayStation. Cool. So yeah, these are all the different pieces in here. And we have, what the hell is this? We have this PS1. Look, are these magnets? Numbskull. Inspiration design. PlayStation trademarks. Okay, blah blah blah. I don't know what this could be. Can I put it on my computer? Sort of, but it's really heavy. Is this like a belt buckle or something? Not sure what this is, but it's kind of cool. But the only reason why I got this lot was because of the mug. I thought the mug was pretty sweet. And that was the centerpiece for me in this entire lot. I didn't even know the back had that nice print, but that's pretty cool for my Saturday mornings or when I'm streaming. When I start streaming, we can use this mug in the streams and also use them as a prop or nice little background piece for my videos in the future, which is nice, and always a big fan of that. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these types of unboxings, of just random little unique things I find online and stuff, and just having some fun here. So really sweet box, can't deny that. And there's like an insert. And can I remove this so I can use the box for another? Oh, this thing is glued in there. Why would they glued the hell out of the insert? Maybe to secure it through shipment. That's pretty smart, actually. But I would probably use this box for, I'm not sure. Maybe for accessories, for my PSP accessories. Or just this, right? Like that. Throw it in the bin of stuff. And go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And again, I apologize for not having a tutorial video today for the Vita, but I should have a PSP video later on today for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.